Sanique S3. We're just going to go right from the start on setting this machine up. It's very straightforward, it's like plug and play. So what I'll do is I'll set it up. I've just taken it out of the box and we have all the separate components. We have the hose, we have the unit, we have the fluid, we have the spray gun, spray component parts, we have the spanner, putting everything together, and we have some lubricating oil which we can talk about later on that. So we're going to connect the hose in here. And we're just going to nip it up. We don't have to swing out of it, just give it a little nip. Next we'll assemble the gun. That only needs to be hand tight. We have the fogging tip which slots in. Again, this section only needs to be hand tight. The other end of the hose, and again we'll need a spanner just to tighten this section up. It comes with a lubricating oil. This is something, a maintenance. We have the full manual installed, it'll tell you about that anyway, but maybe once every 6 months you can just lubricate the pump. And all you need to do is just to put a small bit of oil in there and around there, just to keep everything lubricated. I'd say the full instructions are in there for maintenance going forward. They're a very low maintenance machine. You have your electrical cable. So these machines are available in 110 volt and 240 volt. Our next step is going to be to mix up the fluid. This is the concentrate. So with this particular application, it's for fogging. So we're doing a 5%, or it's 5 milliliters per 1 liter of water. So it's a ratio of 200 to 1. 200 parts water to 1 part Sanique fluid. So it's 2.5 litres of water. So we're looking at about 12.5 milliliters. We're going to put in 15 milliliters. So you can store that around, get it well mixed. So we're going to submerge this pipe. This pipe is what would suck the fluid up into the machine itself. What we do now is we'll switch on the machine. There's a lever here. It has 2 positions. It has this closed position and an open position. Starting the machine off, we use it in the open position, and what that does is it's going to suck the fluid up and around. So it's going to put the fluid into the motor itself, and it's going to get rid of any air, so we don't want the machine to get airlocked. So we notice that when the air bubbles go out of the clear tube, we know it's okay then to open or to close the valve. And what happens then is the fluid is now going down through the hose, making its way to the spray gun. It's 7.5 meters of a hose, so it takes about a minute. Right, so the machine itself has shut off now. It's built up enough pressure, it's pushed all the fluid down the hose into the fogger. There's a regulator here. Where we have it set fully open. The machine itself has been balanced to about 1000 psi. just to suit the fogging process. You don't need to adjust it. All you need to do, there's a minus and a plus on that. Once it's at its fully open position, the most powerful position, which is the positive end, is fully opened. It's then good to go. What we do is, before we'll actually sanitise, we'll get suited and booted.
If you have any further questions, please contact an advisor at vinnieburn.com. Alternatively, email sales@vinnieburn.com.